Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to present the group project. The name of the team is Capitalist Crew, and the name of the website is Ziakala. What we do in this website, we sell trending clothes. For an example, if there's there's a fashion that is currently trending, so it will be easy for users, for clients or users to get those trending clothes in our website. So I will show you guys how this website work. So firstly, a user need to create an account, and so that they can log in. So I have register here. You can click here, it will take them to the register page. Here, create account. It requires your full name, for example that, email that, and phone numbers that, and physical address there, and as well as the password. When I click at this, when I click register, it should capture this data, and once the data is captured successfully, it will redirect to the sign in page. There we go, sign in. I've created an account, I'm signing in now. In case if a user provides incorrect credentials, we have handled that part as well. For example, I provide incorrect password there. When I click login, it should issue a message to say that invalid email or password. So now let me provide correct credentials. So when I click this button and the credentials are correct, it should redirect to the home page. So this is the home page. It shows the phone numbers of the user that is currently logged in, the email address, and say welcome, the name of that user. The cart is empty. There is nothing. I haven't added anything. The user haven't added anything yet, and these are the trending products. A user, okay, here this number over here stands for the number of products that are available. For example, this jean, there are only 7 of these jeans, and these sunglasses, there are 4, and these trousers, there are 3, and these belts are out of stock. Therefore, the user cannot buy them. And okay, we have different pages, dresses, and these are the dresses, and they do have the numbers as well. Let's take a user want to buy this dress that only 12, and the user want 5 of this dress. Add to cart. When you go back to the dresses and check the which one did I buy? There were 12. Okay, dresses, okay, the same thing. Okay, there were 12, now the remaining dresses are 7. You see, remember there was 12 again, and now it's 7. So here is 1. The card says that is 1. There is 1 product. You can remove it if you don't feel like buying it. It will go back to where you took it. So now the dresses here are now 12, so it went back there. So if a user wants to buy for example this dress there, they can add it to cart, and I did show the functionality to remove the product from cart. By the way, we are using the persistent shopping cart. So a user, this shopping cart here once a user add an item here, it will perform some mathematical operations and give them the total and also the VAT. For example, now that is 3, now we have 320 there. If I add another item or product, if I add a product, now this is no longer 320, it's now 1620, and the total over here is no longer 320, is that, and the VAT is no longer that amount, it's a new amount. So if I say check, if I click check, the user need to provide the packing details, the card number there, and the CVV there, okay, the month there in which that card will expire, the expiry date. Say when they click purchase, it says thank you, your items will be delivered within 2 days, and the card now is empty since the transaction is successful. So a user can send a customer feedback if they don't feel like sending customer feedback. They can just leave it like that. And I can sign out. I use sessions for that. Sign out, and when I try to navigate back, to go back there and try to access a page, it automatically signs the user out since they logged out. Those sessions are now null. Okay, so if another user creates an account again, for example, the user is Shelly, and that, and phone number is that, physical address is that, and the password is Shelly there, and they log in, they register, they've registered, now they can log in. Shelly log in there, log in, okay, they've logged in, and the user can add whatever that they want to cart. And there we go. And another functionality is that if a user try to exceed this number, as you can see that there are 5 of this product, this shirt here. So if I try to add 6, for example, my system will complain, say that you're trying to buy 6 of this long sleeve shirt, but there are only 5 available, so you cannot proceed and add that to cart. So once I say okay, I go down and say 5, I want 5 of these products, and I go back there and check, it says out of stock since I bought all of those products, and the product quantity there I've updated. Remember, at first I bought 1 and I came back and bought the and bought 5 of them. So can proceed with transaction there. I can pay that and that, okay, purchase. Okay, thank you there. Erase that thing there. So look out. So here we have a manager. A manager can add other employees such as drivers, admins. So Bob is a manager. In this case, Bob. Login. Bob adds an employee. So that, and email address there, also phone numbers, and the type of employee is a driver, address, and the thing there, the password. Okay, add. Okay, since I have a driver, since the manager added a driver can actually log in now. So the driver can these are the invoices. The driver will deliver all of these products. Remember, import this fine press at first, one, and then also bought 2 of these sunglasses, and another user bought, which is Shelly, bought 6 of these shirts, right? So once a driver have delivered, they can just click this button, delivered, and the product will be removed. Now that shirt is gone, removed, and if they deliver this one as well, gone, and that part gone. Now there are no invoices there. So sign out. Everything is good. They delivered everything. So another thing, a manager can add an admin as well. Bob add an admin. Okay. So you see here, these are our reports. Clients, we have 2, that Ben and Shelly. Employee, we have 1 there, which is Lerato, the one that we have just added now, the driver. Drivers we have 1. Now I'm adding an admin. Right there, there you go, and that admin, and that, and the password should be okay. I've added an admin now. When I refresh the page, I have 1 admin there, the admin 1, as you can see there, and this is the total amount. It's only visible to the manager, so the admin can actually remove and add other employees. If I log in as an admin is not allowed to add employees, can only remove and add products as well. So if I log in as an admin, you can see here Bob is the manager. Sign out, and admin, can I get, and that right, log in. You see here, right, is an admin, and admin have limited functionality. They don't have functionality the same way as the manager. So the only thing that they can do is to add products. You can add products here. You can provide the product name, for example, that, and the price, that, and the description, that, the quantity, maybe 12 of these products, and whether the product is in promotion or not, and the type of the thing that they're adding, and that okay, the price here, and they can select the image, the product image there. So select that and open that and add product. The product is now added. When I sign out and a user sign in, they will see that product.